Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA display settings are not available. So, first, make sure that your monitor is plugged into the GPU. If you're on a desktop, check the back of your PC. Your monitor must be connected to the NVIDIA graphics card, not the motherboard. And if the cable is plugged into the motherboard, NVIDIA Control Panel will not open and you will get this exact error. So move the HDMI or DisplayPort cable to your GPU output. Then restart your PC and it will instantly fix your problem. Now if the problem still persists, simply restart NVIDIA services. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type services, or what you can also do is click this button and search for run. Then click open and search services.msc, then click on OK. Now scroll down and find the NVIDIA Display Container LS. So scroll down to the N section and search for NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA Local System Container and NVIDIA Telemetry Container. Right-click each one of them and click Restart. And if the display container services is stopped, NVIDIA settings will not load. So simply to fix that, go to nvidia.com and search for drivers. As you can see, what you can also do is go to the search bar and search for NVIDIA drivers download. Now, click on download the official NVIDIA drivers and it will take you to this page. Here you can search manually for drivers by selecting your card series and what kind of card you have, the Windows, then click find. After you click find, it will take you to a page that looks something like this. Here you can click download and download the latest drivers and get your problem fixed. Now, what you can also do is enable the GPU in Device Manager. So go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Click on this and it will open up. Now expand the display driver adapters and if you see NVIDIA GPU disabled, so right click and click on update driver. Or what you can also do is click on enable device if it's already disabled. Also you can just right click and click update driver and that will instantly fix your problem. Now another way to solve this problem is clicking on start and searching for settings. Now click on the Windows update icon at the top right, click on check for updates and if an update is available, click on download and install and that will instantly fix your problem. Now if nothing works, shut down the PC, remove the NVIDIA GPU, clean the PC LE slot, reset the GPU firmly and reconnect power cables because loose connections are one of the biggest causes of this error. And that's how you fix the NVIDIA display settings are not available message. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.